In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a Lyft ride using the most current version of the Lyft passenger app. Note this walkthrough is on an iOS device. After downloading the Lyft passenger app, you may see this welcome screen. This welcome screen is going to give you general instructions for requesting a ride, such as setting your destination, confirming your pickup, and selecting your ride type. Now let's go into the Lyft passenger app and request a ride. Upon opening the Lyft passenger app, you will see this screen with the blue dot indicating your location. Note, Lyft will also display available drivers in your area. Using your current location as the pickup address, the Lyft app will simply ask you where you would like to go. Let's search for our destination by tapping the field that says place name or address. Here we have the option of selecting assigned locations that we have set in the Lyft passenger app. We can also search for our destination by typing it in the field titled Place Name or Address. By selecting Choose on Map, we can manually move the destination pin to the ending destination of our choice. Once we have chosen our ending destination, we will tap on the purple check mark indicating that we have set our destination. Our next step is confirming our pickup spot. Here we will manually drag the purple indicator to the pickup spot where we would like to meet our driver. After we have confirmed our pickup spot, we will click the purple check mark. After confirming our pickup destination, we will then be presented with our ride options. As you can see, there are several options when requesting a ride on the Lyft platform. Options like Lyft Line are for 1 or 2 passengers, as you may share your ride with other passengers. The traditional Lyft ride is for up to 4 passengers and reserves a private car. Note the schedule feature in the bottom right. This schedule feature allows you to request a Lyft ride at a later date. Additional services like Lyft Plus accommodate more than 4 passengers, while luxury services like Lyft Premier and Lyft Lux offer upgraded rides. Here we can manually search for our destination by name or address. In some markets, when requesting rides to the airport, the Lyft app will ask for additional information to help your driver. Your profile, settings, and more can be accessed by clicking your profile picture in the top left. Here you can see your ride history, payment methods, promotions, settings, and more. By clicking promos, you can enter any promotional codes that you have before your ride. Check the information in the description and comment section for a promotional code to use on your first ride. Let's select payments. There are several payment methods available when using the Lyft passenger app. You may use a credit card, debit cards tied to checking accounts, and prepaid cards. You may also use PayPal for both iOS and Android users, Apple Pay, and Android Pay. If you need to update your pickup location, simply tap on Place Name or Address and edit the first field. Once you have selected your ride type, simply click on Request Lyft. After you've been paired with your driver, you will be able to track your driver's estimated time for arrival in real time. Note that your time until pickup and estimated cost is listed here. All payment methods will be processed automatically using the payment method you've set up in your profile. After your ride, you will also have the option to rate and tip your driver. Your driver Mike here. I do appreciate you watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and feel free to share this with anyone new to the Lyft system.